All right, this is the third and final lesson for Hotel California Unplugged by the Eagles. Okay, so the first thing we do is we have these chords. We have a capo on the 2nd fret also. So we're gonna have these chords for that new intro that they made. So I've got a thumb up here on the, looks like the 5th fret with our capo. It's really the 7th fret. We're gonna call that the 5th fret. So I've got 5, open, 5, 5, 5, and 7. That's our first chord. We hold that, and they got some little guitar riffs. Then we're going to switch over to this one. So I've got a 5 on the big string, and then open, and then 5, 4, 3, 3. So it looks like a G shape, kind of with an A bass. And then we're going to have a D minor, which you could also do up here if you wanted to. It might have that higher range kind of thing, higher inversion. So I'm including the bass note on that one too. Okay, and then you'd have a little bit of a pause, and then we have a little riff. So that was 2 on the D string with 1 on the 2nd string, and that 2nd string goes 1, 0, 1, 3. So it's, and then we do an E chord. Okay, so once again, that was this one, that one, that one, and then okay, second time through, we're going to do them the same. And there is a big pause before the, because they're doing a cool riff, like a pull-off riff that gets faster and faster. It lasts for a little while, so you got to wait for that. And then, now the second time through, we won't have to wait for anything. It's just going to be that chord, the next chord, wherever you want to do that D minor. And then straight to a E7 chord this time, open 2, open 1, open, open. Okay, then we're into the pre-verse and the verse part. This is our main thing of this one. We got so let's go for that first half right there. So we have an A minor chord. We're gonna go 5th string to 1st string. And this is like a 1 and a. Okay, so we have the little open to the 1 on the 2nd string. And then we go D string 2, 2nd string to 3rd string there. And we have a 3 on the A to open D at the end of that. So it ends up being 1 and a, E, a 3, 4, and I've got that written in the tab. That'll help you with the timing. So it's, okay, then we're gonna move to this other one. So that's kind of from the E chord. So we've got a big 4, 2nd string to 4th string, both open. Open, open, and 1 on those bottom 3. So the timing on that is like 1 and a, E, a 3. Nothing on the 4, kind of hold that 3. Okay, so it kind of goes back between these two different ones. 1 and a, E, a 3, 4 and 1 and a, E, a 3. Okay? Bump, ba, bump, bump, ba, bump, 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 ba, bump, bump, ba, bump. So they alternate. Okay, so let's see. Once again, we're gonna go. Okay, now our next one, we're gonna go. It's gonna be kind of like a G shape. We're gonna have a 2 in here and the 3rd string coming in as well. So we have. Okay, so we had the 3, big 3, and then 2nd string to 3rd string opens. 2 on the 3rd string. Back to the opens on those 2, and then you have the D string open after that. So it's. Okay, then we're going to switch to this one over here. So that would be kind of like a F sharp bass with sort of kind of a D9 kind of chord down there. D7, 9. Okay, so 2 on the big one, and then 1 on the 2nd string, open D, little string open to 1 to 2 on the 3rd. Big 1 and the 2 on the 3rd string, and the 3 on the 4th string. And then we're going to bar down those 1s down here for the rest of that F chord. So we're going to have. And that has a little extra riff. We got the 3 over here, the F note. Hammer O to 2 on the G, 1 on the 2nd string, so it's. into like a C shape. So we had the 3 on the 5th string, 1st string to 3rd, both open, and then 1 to open, 2nd to 1st strings. Then we're going to pop into the 2 and open on the middle strings, part of the C chord. So it's going to go Jenga, Jung, Jung, and a 4, and at the end of that. So it's. And then we're on to D minor. Okay, so that's D bass, little 1 to 2 on the 3rd string, and then 3 to 1, 2nd to 1st strings. Middle part of the chord, kind of Jenga, Jang, Jang, kind of hit that D bass at the end. And then we have, so this will be big E, 2nd string to 4th string, both open, and then 1 and open, 3rd and 2nd strings, to the D bass, to a 3-note chord off that 1 open open, top of an E chord type of thing. So, okay, so that's the whole pre-verse and verse. It'll just repeat that same stuff, and that's the 12-string part. So we're gonna go back through it. We got. Okay, so let's try those real slow. 3 and 4 and. And then we're gonna get ready for this one here. We got 3, 4. And then the 2 with 1, 2. Let's try that again. 3 and 4 and. Okay, then we're going to do the F. It goes. So let's try that F real slow. And if you could do it like this down here. Just move that 3 down for that one. That end riff. But I like to do it like this. So let's try that. 3 and 4 and. We have the C one, it goes. Let's try that. 3 and 4 and. And then D minor goes. Let's try that. 3 and 4 and. And then the E7. Last one, 3 and 4 and. Okay, so it's just a matter of practicing all those, get them worked up. Now the chorus is going to be the same types of things, different order of chords. We got the F first, to the C, the E7, then the A minor. They're all the same. Back to the F. So we got the F next. To the C. D minor. E7. Okay, and then at the end of the page on the tab, I have the rest of the arrangement. It's like 2 more verses and a chorus with a stop, 2 more verses and then solos, and you keep playing the verses over the solos. And at the end of the song, it'll end with an A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's Hotel California Unplugged, lesson number 3. I'll put these all together in one big long lesson coming up soon as well, so we have them all in the same place. Capo 2 again with this one. We'll have tabs for all these. Hope you dig it. Great version by the Eagles when they redid their classic Hotel California in the 90s when they got back together on the Hell Freezes Over tour. So this was Glenn Frey's part on the 12 string. The other 2 nylon string acoustics, of course, were Don Felder and Joe Walsh. Okay, hope you dig it. Talk to y'all soon. Thanks a lot.